Hi, this is Mima Ovidia Kwaba. I had the latest and hot news in Kuhanamidi. Bremo. I don't see so young subscriber. Bawumia say over subscribe to the channel. Dobya say over click the subscribe button. Now daily notification. When sa video we upload. Also sa ever can be. I feel we are now one like video. Because a thumbs up. Now feel share my offer for so now when you be here now and some episode. Ghana memoir. I feel young friend some of the door ye so. Hopeson Adorye oye Agyapadie kuseda to say Agyapadie semene or no na wo ho pro e ka ho sem. Wori some to the peace council what to be edi amane omre ye beto aba na fi na woni ni apere na Hopeson e che say peace council for no one dey beto the say ya party sim and be sign ye kata say be ya afudi betimi aba ye abato e beto eno na Hopeson to be the amane wo che so me bogus. The team ha and you come nipa be 8 2020 election peace council for them on the kafa so and a year minister of state ebekase nya di one be hand over then peace council for kan one in country empower now we am say one be sign krata any ha Hopeson aye one pass up so then aye Hopeson e dey Serwaa Broni ho so ensem atuda na yes sembe ntentemara ye mopi ye Hopeson Adorye kachi na yiti ensem a wodi tuda yiti no.
The second chamber of on the my promise was say me yen at them has so send messages me yen them but today nyabotre there's a peace council for say yeah baba sign peace park mo sign na me leader enyankasai whatever I'm saying here no is what I feel me nyasna we opinion me nyano na so kase Yabesa Anasi and Saya, Yabesa Shemunsu. But the question is, what is the basis for CM Conquasai? Dear. Peace Park. Yakwatana KUST. Yeah, when you go to Yakwasai or Hono. Was it in 2016? No, 2020 or so. 2020, yeah. Or two for the Tinam share or baby. KUST. All candidates. Presidential candidates go and almost sign kama and the almost come bro for kesi ewie aneja ye free honum ya kokoto abawie na de ne sie nipa 8 ne wie nipa 8 wu ye no peace council wo mo response ye den activity ben and mo undertake dia no maye peace council for no a visiting crowd do mu wu ye no wo mo parents wo mo ma anase bibisa compensation eti ye ba beto eye ade atwa budget amamu no ne de sisi obi aba be say yi no sa ne ye ade I don't think say yi. Number 1 peace council enka first thing we betimi dia share parties no nkran say no we are here for business then he say a minister of state bet threaten say ye hand over enka de na nkesa mo ye nkesa mo ba out what ye mo meye no krokro de jonkra mo be ka bibi say asem no kan no kra ana o maka na bia na mante dia so mo aka ana mente ye dia fine the sentence apa dia wo mo ye mesan bien e dia de ne mesan people are saying say mo we ne be ye bia who ko crook ye be we ne election no eti ye ka who ko crook a say se Ghana for to maya fine o man to maya ye be gwem ananya za na de ye hand over that's your tran ho no mo ka say what sa de wenti che say e de tension bent ye ma mesan na odi pen sign papers on na e den enka hu ne wa trotro de ato papers no enka hu eye suban the mind the orientation look Ghana is wasting money on peace council. Period. Oh, Hopeson. Now that's what I'm going. Me say Ghana is wasting money on peace council. What is the value? What more significance in today's year? What more significance here? What better than 3 months to a year? Now, for number behind come and sign. And this in the General Secretary, National Chairman, so Monsa. Maybe I support him. Your mama says so. I support him. Me candidate in Yankasai, but I don't think say me candidate in Zuba always teach him say or Papa Trahono. What you want me candidate you call you? Yeah, Bune, yeah, can say the agents. Agyapadie. And that peace council no money was various political parties activities and affecting national. What money was that? What money was that? Na besi akobiti kwada say ala gas o kwa memeka say media memi kwa de ubisa majina ka meka say menko Hopeson Adorye abi before no kwa san so omo na say obi awe ni omo hand over eto omo kwa san omo say ani ehu say yes omo no omo kwa san say obi we ni a omo dey omo be hand over ya de ye ni time de kwa san sade no ye ni time me suggest Edi amami leader, ye ni time. Onyantu na numutu.
Time for special duties.
Me say onyantu na numutu, but me suggest we don't have time. Because what you want to near the answer will woni panipa. No wa ye di wosi mi hu ye. Na wo hu ye. Afre de adra ya. Ye ba be say skadi abremu say munko na munko ye say. Hwe in this Agyapadie book, ma mesa enka bibikitu abi wo hu. Wonu so mo tro wo mu say asofo mpanimfo bi okro mu ha se ya wo mu no mo kasa ekwachiri eti wo mu no kasa ebema ganafo ayayi eti ane yema yisi chairperson eye jemensa enkonko bata sa asofo no ho na won hye no nkura wokukuo mu se ade no be fe na wagye atum bi be aba bebi akan ade akyerew na sofo no gagye tu mu se ane maame no ama assurance say ebeye yidia na chese ade enu ano no eti wo mo bebre wo mo ni ase wo mo nkasa yibiem ni eti wo no mu yehwe we are not ene aka just 3 months ni ye kwa koto aba ye wo September October November agesi dey say ye twemu ai kwa no 3 months provisional register Electoral Commission entity provided enfama. Can I say various political parties? What you want to say this election very peaceful? How? And you know, some person who say enetia and yanke. She Dr. Williams ne Ajiansare and some Kwanchanka ne omomukeka hu. Mesa otabe no omomukeka hu. Bugu akachamu ni omode be yamono muni ho idea kra ni omode be yamono kwa mo faso ebi grade ese mpiampia ma kra ankohye wo mo ebi susu yankotati wo numa ebi susu yansada nkomo mo bribe o makadi na national chief imam kwa yo mo ba faso a se Well, movie say Papa na di over 100 years. Eti ebia na nyango pato nsafre. Kwanyo mo be faso a, wo mo be influence ama the next chief imam. Aba be yo obi a wo support NPP. Ni nyina e wa Agyapadie boku mu. Uko page 24 ho no mo a eda ho.
Si pages ni nyina wo.
E wo meeting.
Waka ni nyina si.
E wo meeting page 24. Adi yakika wa hano. So Bishop Adiasare Sankranchian Pastor Benso Tabe National Chief Imam page 24 Bukite biabi ni omu ba beye adey monko amu ya frunti
otabe nyane de
wo msi se ni otabe sitie wo mu ko ehyiamu bi na ni anye ho wo mu take decision bi e fa the banks nsam ni ade na ni anye ho etino so mbeti mi kwa yanhwe se ebeti ma pianpian ba bi kwa kwahye na ade wo trase na wo prane evil say na wo tifie defend this road way hey na you see ebebi ana meka say Yankopon na wo bo ni wiase no wo noa na hwe na ade so eti nipa de wo betima abopo bone wo betima di semoni wo dru ba bia Yankopon say hot wo be hoto kwaye fa so asabuku we wo mu ye meeting we ya wo mu we fie e ma de ka table su mo bi kokko photocopy no eye Yankopon pe eti sa amasa e ka sofo eni ayimu nyina nkom fi se ani ye na fofo ni wo mu So who nyɛ sɛ ɔkatidra hɔ
ɔmo nyina yi ɔmo ho afiri
ɔmo nyina yi ɔmo ho afiri
ota be
aka nipa mienu pɛ
na danka wolam se so ne so
wɔdi so that God miss wɔdi so I mean Pentecost for no me ade so anabam ɔmo nyina ni so
onyina ndi oda so
onyina wɔ so ho ade aka onyina ne Kusi Boateng ne yi pɛ ba me ne ma me me ma bi also ye me ya papa
former mice and
yes I me ya papa
light and salt
me ma me pa me
respecting
me ja
for mama
say ode no ho akwa forest ade no o ye obi o ye no kwa for pa baba gu bi o mu de ada ye ka de say adum adum TV produce hey that guy say would now send him message Agyapade be ye on wo ho wo sofu na Kusi Boateng etidie what do you mean Montra TV so nka masem Montra TV so nka obi asem wo sofu ebu o man na ye jimi ka ho asem ye jimi ka ho asem na me catch say hey step aside say ko jira mani pa no ka asem na ko bo hu say dem be head no ka me head no pa me no say yes my head no what bodam wo sofu ntidien sofu a wo mo discuss class chichema o yonko asofu kwa na ngwa wadi
what evidence
wo say nothing hot news opa ye be bo akire no wo do ankasa no voice a amanfo oni amanfo ankasa o ma record opa ye be bo akire no
o se die na wo ayi ni ma wo amanfo esuro
nipa wo transe na wo ka se wo be ye ade a wo be ye me say me a strategic politician.
Who is a power be change?
Strategic politician.
Power basis.
Eti no me pick me nyama just like that. Me wa who say be ne skeni oborobi na moda. Emre bia me ne street for na.
Efi ne ho.
Me ne street for na nenam. Kwa ya me fasu nyama nyama de. Me fasu nyama nyama. What you say? Eja mu njan sanse mu no mudi no. Yet what pam ye gigande sika 50 something million. Am ya ye dia ko to amna keke ja no ho
$58 million.
Ye ja no ho. Chese enfo bia ho.
Was financial loss to the state.
Me say Ghana ho. Look, emre bia me ka kire mo say we need someone obe change the architecture of our political system. Then ka president Fiswa yetimi prosecute president. Send you call Europe or Muyano, send you call US or Muyano, any adeno. Yet me yes adeno. I don't know Bassa will be better Kunyanuswa. The penny are too careful. The Jaubiania man blank check, no church on your pa. Ya will be a hoduma one quabaimu. Ruania baimu. And so corruption hodo. Ejadikitwa. Eti lifestyle audit. Ya obi o hoye opposition next call be to aduanum ka no nya bi ya ma abamu anka wawu
declaration of asset so nya adwuma
ya ma abamu anka wawu na si agunu ma fi na ya artificial wa lodu sikaza na ska wunya nya nam ne de wi a chese ho beto unse nya artificial dan be na be still what that so triska be kan Ghana for sedien Ghana for esedien Yadum grofo mo nam hodum ayo rose le hihye omumu
oha
koma wo kasikafo omu edeka ho within 8 years wo mo abeye billionaires na mumu fisi agimi hwe me ma mi kasa semwe se me kasa no obi kasa be the pain ene kasa mejitum obi kasa maye bita mejitum hwe obi bia won jintum no na adwene no naka wo ha sei wo ye adwuma si ebetu awka na wo ye adwuma agira na so bi obefiri abese midnight wo akoda by 5 o'clock wasaba na boso mi aso ni adu aga si o mi nya bita na chese bibia toche wo wadwene no mu wo jase
edidija
na wo kira se mo anya kwan a bi esi boga bidie Oko dance wa mu rafi. Uchechem amanfo etrete wo ni ade omu rafi. Enti se ebasa pe na se niam bia ntoto ye na wo sori gina na wo kasa oh moga bia bita jitum sa wo ye bita
understand
jitum me de me life my family everything ekoji wo bia di ngwase na wo say I should not be bitter
what do they
I heard you dead
yeah ba ho
she ye ka dey say madam fui Sedu Agongo what is madam fu ba no 2017 na ni share ye didi nkoma ni yakoba
so wasemo court
ya gunu bank she nkofo do mu ye adwuma bank sa ya gunu nyinaa omo TV o na obi ti ho se omo break
bia okokot
obi ti ho se o eye edian omuka it is possible na no ma just mato aso it is possible to go to opposition no ma kasa chiro 8 years agongo kokot every day 8 years no waba na because the involvement our de boaboa party na ka se atwe na to nchen no sorry so kasa wo se o ye bida modern psychological trauma wakomu for all this while all because he say was support to party a business person because was support to party nti na sa Agyapadie we ye be implement powers sa niam na o ma implement no apart from say ye wia e de amabusua ba ko no nkaye na wo mu no say ye ngu media ne guy ka ho no oh awurade nyangopo say amanfo kan bi hwe wo mu say da na say enwono
SYZ2
radio good
capital radio
ejanu ni e ka say wo ayi amodo hu modern na ngase say wo ja ho no mu no
radio good no
so
Tesla
wo ko page 28 ya no so mo score extra 70% ebra wo gu radio SYZ capital radio Muntie FM and many more and then kese so ja radio good akoko gu page 28
it's in the document
me the forward metima ka say are certain sa dia kwakusi ewie
we say wasra messages ne ba
messages ne biesre biesre eti ya mesre oh na sabe de sabe kan say asem nukre na meka me maka asem bi emre bia na meka me say me ni tron to obi so because me odi tro to me so first thing is me bodua so eti se me di tro eto so a so bom bia benyame so on etem me tro challenge bi so mo say ya bobo mu de omunya yi no omo mi enko si obrem mi enko nko jaja ngum ho no mo de America kokoto because on inside koto no yen wie na bia di be 5 years ana se bi bisa so on etem no
opedua bono
ka 3 weeks pepepe na nua makasa 3 weeks pepepe so on etem no but omusro onko
cross analysis edua
eti me look Africa ya nje ye die ndi me Africa ni me frachiavi me jemi die di izo on etie no na say na nyoma ye yintia ka ukwachiavi no sika to form a obekọ 1 week obabaka o ka se o sika ire si o company for no o mu de akwakoja ye wi ade wo honom because e hono wi ade a ye de bejewo e be ye adwuma wakwakodu no gopo no bi phone da for se mafa what they call and I say wa na wo pe wayi so on etie no nti no hono ne krenkwa ba kwa sorry dem na mo kwa koto correction person obi amfa no ba ngita because uja no obeba na you sika film na you phone film e wa sorry dem o hwensi be akwa bi omo chi no CCTV mu every Sunday wo kwa woni nkola eti o ma pon asori na amanfo o mi pese bi hu sofo mi pese mi yese na nkola no fa nkrofo bags no mu dia brepeni no no ayi mu ni ama no dia go ne bag mu no masa dia kosi wo ntenten amanfo bags yira wo mu ni ama yira wo ana je o mu de CCTV ko bobo ho no to one Sunday o mu monitor ya no mu hu se sa be me ne ya na yesa kire se wo mu timi eche no eti honde obia ne ne de ye eti de da na meka ye de call awie peace council for I think abansi say so mo hwe na wo mo twam won say Allah proposes oba council of state obetwam obeyi afri ho
peace council
obe amende ye kan say constitution ayi council of state afri ho na wa create second chamber of parliament eti hodom na president powers no obeyi bi dia mo eti yes ye be appointment for electoral commission chairman omo ene ba be IGP omo ne be chief justice ye pe justices of supreme court no dia ma omo na president powers no ye tima limit ne kakra ye wo kura everything e she nipa ba ko nsem everything in this book omo si omo pack court no omo take over the judiciary for the next 20 years e yo nwa say every day appoint you can say judges echo yes we court into asam no mu ayenka it's happening no mu kan wo mu no it's happening enya week ya mu no mo
ayarga no mo
so hu ne tie no eti no ma de bi wo hono mu a esi say ye hwe ne esi san no madi kakra eti second chamber of on there my promise was say me yenu edem ha
say mo send messages
say me yenu dem ha but we dey nyabotre
I did no mo send
me say me no me ye e can say
dey mo musulunti a o mo ye say e be ka Serwaa Broni
don't worry me say me a tactician I know when to strike what is it I know when to strike eti on the ministry
o mo nya messages no mo send
omo problem ye ka dey say producer am born this year on so class and ne eti maka chance
o nyina ehwe
oni mu ntokwa wo ye to you should stay out
Hopeson Adorye
you should stay out so dey je no eti no credit ye beka eti no ba wo bom safi ya limited president ne powers ne kakra no ene bema like o mayimu nyamba betima koyi ene everywhere a president eti minister fafo no ofra GPCC a obon se na ne hopo o fafo no ofra electoral commission o boss CC a na ne hopo because oya omu be yi but the second chamber no enye say president ba be ye nomination akoho no on dey say nka dada na so we dey no but second chamber na nkasa e dey be who say okay IGP call retirement ye hear a new IGP second chamber na nkasa na be hwehwe within the police service say hwan e na fata say de no ko no mo ankasa ayi sadi panaba no mama appointment no wo ye minister obetima aka say order from above obedi watem gra wo agasa wo ho ato so wo dey no e be kate sa nema no say wayi second chamber ayi judiciary enya wo president no wontimi mfaya no because enya wo na wo man appointment yet you wontimi direct no what he should do. You see, these are some of the things Ghana yen support to. Na the why ready so obey sade no. Aya lan Kojo Kyeremanteng. Say the 2 million manu. That's what me share sade no ma we to ha. Look, enye that you wonder. Who bon say obi obeba bia no. Na or to aso. No obi ope power. Na kesi 2 million na ahye wonsa. Na onya 2 million wo ye ready. Somebody 2 million mamia. I can take some off. So that you bet me run this country, you know, as I say, but media seriously, no, I'm of the few say, peace council na bogus.
Peace council,
bogus.
Beautiful winning and some of your Hopeson Adorye movement for change. I want to be money a peace council. Also, na Rev Kusi Boateng a year don't representative so and sending a message that is a food cook a fire or to be a money no. Now what they a Serwaa Broni and some so atuda. Because so and our head so we are subscribe we have Bombshell say over subscribe since I had the latest and hot news in Kwana made promo after we are now like video no like the video na fi share ma of so that when you be here na wo and some so e wo Ghana member no wo so betimi a share what dey fire some we na ho e wo comment box ni mo beti in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.